Hello, dear friends. This is Sofia Dorinskaya, President of the International Bureau for Human Rights in Mental Health and head of the Sofia Dorinskaya Center for Medical Information. By education, I am a doctor, and today I am continuing the topic of simple schemes for various diseases. And today I will tell you once again about a scheme that our professor told us about at the Department of Dermatovenereology. How to treat thrush. The very one that's being advertised on television right now. So very briefly, thrush is caused by fungi of the Candida genus. These are yeast-like fungi, and with a normal immune system, they usually don't develop in a person. When the immune system is weakened, a woman can develop this very candidiasis. So, here is a very simple basic scheme, not pills, for treating candidiasis in women. So, listen carefully and take notes. For the first 3 days, you need to do douching with baking soda. You can dilute the baking soda, 1 teaspoon per liter of water. Try it so that, well, you can feel the baking soda. What are you doing? This way you neutralize the pH, yes. So you're preparing the environment of the mucous membrane. And for the next 3 days, you should use tampons with kefir. It's very simple. I mean, if you douche with baking soda for longer, you'll burn the mucous membrane. So here's the regimen. 3 days of douching with baking soda, 3 days of tampons with kefir. All these 6 days, while you're treating your candidiasis, you need to stick to a very strict diet. You completely eliminate all flour products, all sugars, any kind. So you cut out sweets and baked goods entirely. You eat fermented dairy products, of course, meat, fresh vegetables, gray porridge, and gray bread. So, for these 6 days, are you on a very strict diet? And this is the regimen that old doctors used to recommend for treating candidiasis. Of course, if your situation has already reached the point where this regimen doesn't work, then you can go see a doctor and take systemic medications. But always, you see, old doctors were always very gentle with the human body. And always, if a problem can be solved locally, it should be solved locally. Because after all, when you take pills, it's a systemic effect on the body, and this systemic effect should be justified. I hope this information will help someone, especially people who, due to certain circumstances, can't afford expensive pills. And this simple, inexpensive method, I think it will help many people preserve their health. This was Sofia Dorinskaya with you. All the best. Goodbye.